Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. In this video, you will get to know about the most important MCQs of banking. If you are new in our channel, the previous MCQs of banking are given in the description box below, and this is very much useful for Nepal Rashtra Bank and Agriculture Development Bank to crack the first paper. Now let's start the video. Question number 1. What is repo rate? Options are rate at which the Nepal Rashtra Bank borrows money from commercial banks, rate at which commercial banks borrow money from Nepal Rashtra Bank, rate at which government lends money to Nepal Rashtra Bank, and rate at which banks borrow fund overnight from the Nepal Rashtra Bank. The correct answer is option B. Rate at which commercial banks borrow money from Nepal Rashtra Bank is known as repo rate. Question number 2. Current deposits are also known as options are time deposits, demand deposits, recurring deposits and fixed deposits. The correct answer is option B, demand deposits. When was Nepal Rashtra Bank established? Options are Vikram Sambat 2013 Baisakh 10, 2013 Baisakh 12, 2013 Baisakh 14 and 2013 Baisakh 16. The correct answer is option C, Vikram Sambat 2013 Baisakh 14. Question number 4. What is the most powerful tool used by the Nepal Rashtra Bank to control inflation? Options are raise interest rates, raise current supply, reduce current supply, and reduce interest rates. The correct answer is option A, raise interest rates. Number 5. In banking terminology, bad loans refers to bad debts, non-performing assets, underwriting assets, and fictitious assets. The correct answer is option B, non-performing assets. Number 6. The World Bank Group is made up of how many organizations? Options are 3, 5, 7, and 8. The correct answer is option B, 5, and those 5 organizations are International Bank for Reconstruction and Development IBRD, the International Development Association IDA, the International Finance Corporation IFC, the Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency MIGA, and the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes ICSID. Therefore, with the help of these 5 organizations, the World Bank Group is made up. Number 7. Budget is an instrument of options are commercial policy of the government, fiscal policy of the government, monetary policy of the government, and money saving policy of the government. The correct answer is option B. Budget is an instrument of fiscal policy of the government. Question number 8. A rise in the reserve ratio of banks. Options are will leads to an increase in the money supply, will lead to an proportionate increase in the money supply, will lead to a decrease in the money supply, and will have no impact on money supply. When there is rise in the reserve ratio, it will lead to decrease in the money supply. So the correct answer is option C. Who is the current governor of Nepal Rashtra Bank? Options are Chiranjeevi Nepal, Mahaprasad Adhikari, Yuvraj Khatiwada, and Lakshminath Gautam. The correct answer is option B. Mahaprasad Adhikari is the present governor of Nepal Rashtra Bank. From which country did paper note begin in the world? Options are India, Spain, USA, and China. The correct answer is option D, China. Demand draft is a options are not negotiable instrument, not transferable instrument, negotiable instrument, and none of the above. The correct answer is option C, negotiable instrument. Demand draft is a negotiable instrument. Number 12. What does ADB stand for? Options are American Development Bank, Australian Development Bank, Asian Development Bank, and all of these? The correct answer is option C, Asian Development Bank. Question number 13. Who is known as father of economics? Options are Adam Smith, Marshall, J.M. Keynes, and Pareto. The correct answer is option A. Adam Smith is known as the father of economics. Question number 14. Closed economy is one in which options are only export takes place, money supply is fully controlled, deficit financing takes place, and neither export nor import takes place. The correct answer is in closed economy, neither export nor import takes place. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 15. The name of the currency in Dubai is known as, options are US dollar, dinar, euro, and dirham. The correct answer is option D, dirham. Thank you for watching us. This much for today's video. And for more, please subscribe our channel and visit our channel. Thank you.